Let's go see some exciting stuff. Follow me. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we've all been waiting for, the Aston Martin DBX has finally arrived on our shores, and today I'm here to introduce the car to you. I'm really excited about this because this is a sports car designed with immense practicality for the sports car driver who needs it on the daily commute. So without further ado, let me introduce to you the DBX. The DBX carries classic Aston Martin trademarks that can be found in its cars throughout the century, such as the iconic DB grille, the unmistakable front grille, the largest grille that we have actually built to date so far, and also the clamshell bonnet that's been taken over from the DB11. And naturally, to match the proportions in the front width of the car, you have the largest Aston Martin badge. Built by Vortons, this is possibly the largest piece of Aston jewellery that's seated on the front of the car. Designed using Aston Martin's racing expertise, this side vent here serves two purposes. One, to vent out excess heat from the engine bay. Secondly, to vent out high pressure wheel turbulence around this area here. So this will help to suck the car down to the ground, therefore increasing frontal traction, also enhancing aerodynamic efficiency. To give the DBX its true sports car-like appearance, the DBX gets frameless glass doors, along with a B-pillar that's fitted with a glass sheet. This extends the entire look of a sports car all the way to the back of the DBX. To give the DBX its sleek side profile, we have incorporated concealed door handles to give the car its very flush look. Wearing massive 22-inch aluminium alloy wheels, these wheels are shrouded in sticky Pirelli P0 rubber. Specially designed for the DBX, they provide great directional control regardless of what speeds the DBX might be travelling at. Recessed beneath these massive wheels are huge 6-piston monoblock Brembo aluminium brakes that will chomp and provide the necessary stop whenever the driver desires. The DBX carries the Vantage's unmistakable rear taillight design. A rear deck flip as well as the single unbroken taillight design will leave the rest of the pack wondering what just hit them. Now this rear roof spoiler helps to generate airflow coming down over the rear windscreen of the DBX. This deck flip here is what helps to keep the rear of the DBX planted down to the ground. What happens is that air comes over the top, scoops over this side here, presses the rear of the whole car down, therefore increasing rear traction. The muscular grunt of the DBX's V8 is piped out through these two pipes. A twin exhaust pipe layout, it's actually controlled by an electronic valve controller that's located within the exhaust itself. These actuate and control the amount of pressure that the driver is giving the DBX. So when the driver goes full flat on the throttle, the actuated valves open completely, giving the DBX its full rotty grunt of its V8 engine. Thank you for joining me on the exterior walkthrough of the all-new Aston Martin DBX. To know more about the DBX and to test drive the car yourself, please visit us through any one of our official channels or come and speak to our friendly concierge, our salespeople.